And Q just opened up a little bit ago. I was really tempted to take this yellow signal, but I want to explain to you the reason why I didn't take it. Whenever you get opposing signals like this, okay, you know that you're caught into some consolidation. Okay, it's getting the algorithm is getting conflicting signals for volume and momentum. So I want to see a break above this or a break below this before I decide to go ahead and continue. So let's just go ahead and mark that. On our screen. Something like this right here.
NQ trade alert. NQ trade alert.
Had a really interesting conversation on Skype last night where I was talking to somebody who was interested in my indicator.
NQ trade alert.
And
NQ,
boy,
sell signal 3.
They just wanted to beat me up and tell me everything that my indicator was missing and show me how they trade and all the different indicators they have on their screen. And I just let him go and go and go, and when it seemed like he was done, I asked him how he was doing. And he's not doing very well. And I tried to explain to him, look, simple is better, okay? Watch the videos, learn how I trade. This is how I trade. It's not for everybody. I'm not saying it's the best system in the world, but it's a good system and it works for me. I programmed this for me because I was breaking my own rules. That's how this whole thing came about. And it's a good system. And still, when we went to hang up, he was telling me
NQ trade alert.
all the different
NQ,
things I should be adding.
Sell signal 1. NQ trade alert. NQ, sell signal 1.
Okay, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for.
NQ trade alert. NQ trade alert. NQ, sell signal 3.
Well, I was really hoping to get a yellow entry out of there. Look, I could go ahead and put a limit right here and usually catch it. I would have caught it right there. I just, you know, if I had a couple reds over here, I would have gone ahead and taken it. I really prefer, you know, I've got 1, 2, 3, and these are mostly all yellow here. I just really, yeah. I'm just going to wait. If I miss it, I miss it.
NQ trade alert. NQ, sell signal 3. NQ trade alert.
All right, so it's not going to give us the yellow signal. It was really a perfect setup too. I mean, for what I look for, 1, 2, 3, and catch a yellow, and we didn't get the yellow entry for some reason. So, all right, just going to be patient.
NQ trade alert.
65.50. It is going to give us
order
blue,
submitted.
NQ trade alert.
Order
NQ
filled.
sell signal 2.
Target filled.
Nice. Okay, stops at break even. We hit our second target. We didn't get filled. Stop was at second at break even.
NQ sell signal. NQ trade alert. NQ sell signal 3.
Okay, we broke through. Can we keep going? $62 ticks. We're trailing. $64 ticks.
Stop filled.
Okay. Okay. Thought I was going to get it, but nope. All right. 64 plus 52 plus 26 is 142 times $5. 710.
NQ trade alert.
710. Nice trade. Trust the signals. Simple is better.
NQ trade
I
alert.
can't say any more than that. Learn to trust the signals.
NQ sell signal 3.
Watch the videos. Look at the explanations that I give you. Okay. We were caught in the sideways motion here. I explained the up and down signals when you see that, what that's telling you. Don't be afraid to scrunch your screen up, draw your boxes, and mark your stair stepping. Okay. I was hoping to get a yellow signal here. Software didn't give it to me, but it did give me this blue right after it, and it turned out great. Yeah, we probably, if it gave me the signal here, we probably would have gotten a full boat on this, 100 ticks on that instead of 64. But this is a great trade. I'm very happy with it. Okay, good luck, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below.